Alright, welcome back. Today's video is actually going to be on another 2016-2017 Promaster. Today's issue is the sliding door. The actual outside latch doesn't release down here, and this is why the cable here is broken, and there's a ball that pulls that when you pull the handle in order to release it. So this is the issue. It locks in, you pull the handle, it doesn't release the latch. So we're gonna fix that today. First part of this is to remove this cover on the door, and then we're going to be, this is our cable here, so we'll pretty much be replacing that cable, and it goes up to the handle here. The part that I'm using where I work, this is the part number that they have, so you'll have to cross-reference that, but it's an exterior door sliding handle, and it actually comes with a complete assembly, and this is that little ball that's missing down there. So let's get to work. Alright, so what we're going to do is start releasing the handle itself. So we got three, oh, that one's missing. That's supposed to be a size 10 right there, one right there, and then there's one right up there. Now, technically you could just replace this cable off of your new part. You see it just snaps out right here, and it's this one here. I'm gonna go ahead and replace the entire handle. So we're gonna have a little bit more work involved, but it's still not impossible to do. All right. So let's just go ahead and feed our cable. See if we can release it from here. There, and that'll help us release it back there. That number 10. Oh, it's 4 screws. Yeah, this handle's not even on here. So whoever put this on here definitely didn't finish the job. Let's see if that other one's tight. That's off in there. So the one up there is tight. So I stand corrected. It's actually 4 number 10s. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So go ahead and get those out. To get to that top one, you can try to use a gear wrench or ratcheting wrench. If not, you might have to remove this cover to get to it. So I found a tool that works really good as a little stubby size 10 ratcheting wrench. You can see it's loosened up, so we'll be pulling that handle out right now. Alright, hang on one second. Alright, so now we're ready to disconnect our cables up top. And then we have the one disconnected at the bottom, which is go ahead and feed through. That's that. And you see, if I wanted to stop, I really could just replace that cable and we'd be done with the job. So if that's what you want to do, maybe they sell just that cable, then this would probably be a 10-minute job, no problem. So to get these cables out again, that one goes straight down to the bottom. This one actually curves around and goes up to that upper handle. So you'll just dismount it out of there, and then this blue one you're just gonna separate off that clip. There's a little snag right there. It's on that grip, so make sure you release it. We'll just feed in our new handle here. We'll go ahead and get our blue cable reconnected. We're missing a piece. Make sure to transfer this white holder from your old handle to your new handle. So I was able to pry it out of the old handle, and you're just going to snap it in here like that. I'll be right back. Alrighty, so we got it in there, and now this little indentation is going to rest and snap in right into our piece here. Hard to do it one-handed. I'll be right back. Okay, there's the finished product. Now we'll work on the inside of the door. So as you can see, our lower cable here is also going to need to be snapped into that area right there. So I'm going to go ahead and feed my second cable up to that upper handle. I do want to add, you can either start this upper cable from the inside, or you can attack it from the outside here. So now we're just trying to line it back up and snap in, just like that. And now we just have our final cable to deal with. So make sure to run it back through your little catch right there. Snap that in, run it down the door here, and out our bottom hole. On the bottom of our bracket. I need some more slack to come out of that door. There we go. Coming around. Go ahead and let our ball see if I can do this with one hand. If not, I'm gonna have to reset here. Yeah, let me reset. So just check that out. It slides down and over. Now the ball's secure. Pull this back, snap that in. Oops. There you go. And secure. And now let's test. Oh, we got to resecure our handle. Let me add that back on and then we'll do a test. All right, let's check our fit. Final step, put your cover on, and you guys are all done. Thanks for watching. On to the next one.